श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौरवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे महाराज एवं अभय चरण कमलों में आमंत्रित के तत्पश्चात नृत्य लीला कविष्टम विष्णुपाद आष्टुकर श्रीमान भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज एवं उपस्थित समस्त वैष्णव के चरण कमलों में मेरा यथायथ प्रणाम सिखाते हैं। हम लोग अति सन्निकट में प्राप्त
Hare Krishna. So from few days we were hearing about Brajendranandan Shyam Sundar and his glories, and in another few days we are going to celebrate Srimati Radharani's appearance day. So for another 5 days we are going to hear the glories of Srimati Radharani on behalf of appearance day of Srimati Radharani is going to come on 26th. We'll speak about Radha Tattva. So our Acharya Pad are explaining about Sri Radha Tattva, Radha and Sri Krishna. Lord Sri Krishna has three main potencies: Chit Shakti, Jeev Shakti and Maya Shakti. Through Chit Shakti, he will manifest the Chit Jagat, Vaikuntha, Dwarka, all the spiritual planets he manifests through his Chit Shakti. Through his Jeev Shakti, he will manifest Jeev Jagat, material world. Sorry, Jeev Shakti, Jeev Jagat. And from Maya Shakti, he will manifest this material world. And Samhit, Sandini and Haladini are the three more Shaktis of Lord Krishna. Samhit means Jnana, knowledge. The presiding deity of this Samhit Shakti is Lord Krishna himself. And Sandini, second is Sandini. The presiding deity, this is called Adhar Shakti. So, and the presiding deity is Baldev Prabhu for Sandini Shakti. For Hladini Shakti, Srimati Radharani is the presiding deity. And through this Hladini Shakti only Lord Krishna enjoys, and also he gives bliss to the devotees. So through this Hladini Shakti, Radharani is always pleasing Lord Krishna. Even she is making Krishna to dance through this Shakti. In Brahma Samhita it is mentioned Ananda Chinmaya Rasa Pratibhavita Vistabirya Eva Nijarupataya. So Sandini Shakti is known as Adhar Shakti. So here Ananda Swarupini, the personified of all bliss, Srimati Radharani, Mahabhav Swarupini Srimati Radharani.
दो प्रकार की प्रकाश मिलता है।
This Hladini Shakti is further divided into two. One is Murta Vigraha and another is Amurta Vigraha.
अंदर नहीं रहता है, इसके अमूर्त रहता है।
When the Hladini Shakti reside inside Lord Krishna is called Amurta,
जब
and Murta,
कृष्ण से आकर के अपने
So,
क्रिया आदि करते हैं,
when it comes
मूर्त
externally from Krishna and does his activity, this is called Murta Prakash.
कृष्ण के हृदय में यह विचार, मैं एक अद्वय के अंतर न अद्वय अद्वय एक ही तत्व है, शक्ति शक्ति मतोदयो अभेद।
So this is one. Shakti and Shaktiman, there is no difference. Krishna is Shaktiman and Radha is Shakti. There is no difference between these two things. Practically there is no difference between Shakti and Shaktiman. So it is saying here, when Lord Krishna desires, he will manifest his Leelas. So just by his desire, Yogamaya act accordingly and manifest, arrange for all Leelas. So for this it is called Anupayini Harer Shakti. Anupagayini. Anupagayini Harer Shakti. So Arth Nitya. So the meaning of this is eternal. So in Brahma Samhita it is Shriya Kanta Kanta Parama Purusha. Krishna is also known as Nitya Kanta. Radha Ka Anta. So Kanta Ka Antaha. Where is his end? Where is his end? This is called as Kanta. Means there is no end. Kanta means no end, no boundaries, no limit. So the personification of the love is Srimati Radharani. And through love, so in this way our Acharya Pad Gan are saying Hladini Shakti for Srimati Radharani.
यद्यपि श्रीमती राधिका कृष्ण के समस्त प्रकार की इच्छा को पूरा कर सकती है।
However, Srimati Radharani can fulfill all desires of Lord Krishna.
कृष्ण के उल्लास में, रस के उल्लास में, बहु काम के बिना नहीं, बहु रस के उल्लास, जैसे हम भोजन
So, Bahu Utkanta. Bahut So Maharaj is telling example for Bahukanta. So after the stomach is full, a person will never eat again. Whatever you give, he will never eat. So a person get happiness when he eats food. And some Vairagyaman Vyakti who called as Tapasi, one who does austerities. So he is not worried about this so many food stuff. He just, if he get one piece of bread, he is very satisfied with that. But he is always desiring for bhajan. I want more bhajan, I want more bhajan. He is not desiring for bhojan. I want more bhojan. No, he is only desiring for bhajan. So in the same way, Krishna, the Rasamay Purusha, he wants to do asvadan of the rasa. So he wants the varieties. So different types of kantas. He does his loving relationship. So Radharani knows the internal desire of Lord Krishna's heart.
अपना स्वरूप अनेक सखियों की जो है वो
So what Srimati Radharani does? She manifests herself unto different Sakhis.
अष्ट सखियों के प्रकाश किया।
So she manifested Ashtasakis. Srimati Radharani manifested Ashtasakis first.
ऐसे सखियों की जो प्रकाश। ये सब तो सखियां सब एक-एक राधा की भाव की मानो मूर्त विग्रह।
So these are the manifestation of Radharani's bhavs. These Ashtasakis are the manifestation of Srimati Radharani's bhav.
श्रीमती राधिका एक अनेक जो है और अनेक सखियों की जो प्रकाश किया।
And later she manifests more and more Sakhis, even Manjaris. Everyone has been manifested by Srimati Radharani.
कृष्ण के आनंद प्रदान करेंगे।
So just to give pleasure to Lord Krishna, she is manifesting her bhavs as Sakhis.
जो रसिक होते हैं, रसमान जी के विचार जिसको ज्ञान।
So this is Ras Madhurya. To release this Ras Madhurya, so Krishna is known as Rasik Shekhar Krishna. Krishna is Rasik Shekhar. Akhila Rasamrita Sindhu. So this is the first slok, the preface of Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. Rupa Goswami Pad is telling this. Samudra. Sindhu means beach or sea. Waves, lahari.
इस समुद्र में लहरी नहीं, वो समुद्र क्या है? लहरी को देखने के लिए
So people go for seeing the waves in the sea or beach. So in the same way, Krishna, Akila Rasamrita Sindhu. So in this way, Srila Rupa Goswami Pad is explaining the glories of Lord Krishna here. And he is mentioning that Radha is the prana of Krishna. Even Bilomangal Thakur is telling,
इसके बाद जब पाद नवरेश जिनकी चरण कमल की नवचंद्रमा को दर्शन करके स्वयं श्रीमती राधिका
by whose
उत्साहित होते हैं,
just by seeing the nail in the lotus feet shine, Radharani, how she is feeling blissful, how she is feeling happy. These things are mentioned by various acharyas because these are the symptoms of love. Sometimes she is so sometimes she is doing man, sometimes she is doing pragalpa, sometimes she is very utkrasht, eager to meet Krishna. So by this Krishna is very happy.
राधा जी उसको एक कृष्ण उसको मान बनाते हैं और फिर कोई कुछ बोले और उनके निकट ना जाने कृष्ण कैसे कैसे लीला आदि करते रहे। कृष्ण कभी चंद्रावली के कुंज में चले जाते तो राधा की मान।
So here it is Maharaj telling that how Srimati Radharani is doing man and Krishna is trying to pacify Krishna. Krishna is trying to pacify Srimati Radharani, and if Shri Krishna is going to Chandravali's Kunja, then again Radharani is doing man, then again Krishna has to manifest. So there are so many varieties of this ras. So there are so many Braj Devis, but in the topmost is Srimati Radharani. In this way in Upanishads it is mentioned the topmost Gandharvi is Srimati Radhika. Who is Gandharvi? Who is expert in dance, singing, and various arts.
गंधर्व लोग और उनके मूल गंधर्व कौन है? श्रीमती राधा।
And who is the source of all Gandharvic
संगीत
is Srimati Radharani. How, whatever this musical knowledge is there, everything is been manifested by Srimati Radharani. So in the first slok of Srimad Bhagavatam it is mentioned, the essence of Srimad Bhagavatam is mentioned in first slok and the first line. What is that? Janmadasya yataha. In the Vedanta Sutra even the same thing is mentioned there. Atatho Brahma Jignasa. Janma Adi Asya. Asya means Shringar Ras. Tridish Shringar Ras. All the rasas came into existence from this Shringar Ras.
इसके अलावा जितने भी रस की जो इंग्रेडिएंट्स सामग्री उसका भी राधा जी से प्रकट है।
So all the ras ingredients is also manifested by Srimati Radhika.
श्री श्रीमती राधिका सर्वशक्ति गरीयसी सर्वशक्ति अधिष्ठात्री सर्वमूल लक्ष्मी निखिल भगवत कामताओं की अंशिनी है। अर्जुन कृष्ण से अभिन्न स्वरूप एक अंशिनी होता है और एक अंशी।
So Srimati Radharani is Abhinna Swarupa, non-different from Lord Krishna. How she is Amshini. There are two things in the word. One is Amsha and one is Amshini. Amsha means the person. Amshini means the manifestation of this person is Amshi. And the Kantas, there are two types of Kantas. In Dwaraka, Mahishis and in Vraj. Sorry, three. So these three Kantas. Which are the three Kantas? In Vaikunta Lakshmi, she is doing Narayan Seva. And in which ras she is doing Narayan Seva? By Dasya Ras. Madhuri? Dasya. Aishwarya Bhav, Dasya Ras. Shanta Pradhan Ras. So Srimati Lakshmi ji in Vaikunta, she is serving Lord Vishnu through Shanta Pradhan Dasya Ras. So in the Shanta Ras there is no Seva Vritti, only Nishtha. So in Vaikunta it is Shanta Pradhan. Dasya is Gauna, Dasya is secondary, Shanta is primary in Vaikunta. So in Vaikunta, Lord will never get hungry nor thirsty. He is Atmaram. Celebration. Bhai. So in Vaikunta they be in the fear, because they fear from the Lord. Oh, this is God, I should not do any offense, everything should be perfect, like that. And they don't go close to the Lord, they don't sit in front of the Lord near the, so they sit behind Garuji, after Garud, and they always be in the folded hands. When Lord gives instructions, then they will follow. So from the beginning they don't assign any seva. So even that Shanta Pradhan Dasya Bhav in Vaikunt is Aishwarya Mishrit. Sambram Bhav. Sambram Bhav means being very fearful. So the same Lord, when he comes in Ayodhya as Sri Ram, there it becomes reverse. There it becomes Dasya Pradhan Shantaras.
जैसे हनुमान आदि
So Dasya Ras will be the primary and the Shantaras will be the secondary.
किंतु वो सेवा कैसे वैसे
Like Hanuman and other devotees, they'll be eager to serve Lord Ram. They'll be always be ready. Aham kim karomi, aham kim karomi.
किंतु भाव कैसे रहते हैं ये प्रभु है
So they are always eager to serve. But what is the bhav? The bhav is, oh, Sri Ram is my master and I have to serve him. So all sevak and sevikas, they have the same bhav. Lord Ramchandra is my master. So this is called Dasya Pradhan Shanta Bhav.
ऐसे रहते हैं दस भी विशेष कोई सेवा प्रधान है
In Dasya, the speciality of Dasya is serving.
शुद्ध दास
Shuddha Dasya is Vaikuntha.
तारकापुरी में
Next we are going to Dwarka. There there are some mixture of some rasas. Shanta, Dasya, Sakya and Vatsalya. Sometimes Sakya and Madhurya also mixed. Rukmini and Satyabhama.
वैकुंठार जनितो वरा दावत्ता और उन्हें अभी कुछ समय बाद क्या करें उपदेशा मंत्र वैकुंठ
जनितो वरमधुपुरी तत्रापि रासोत्सवाद
वैकुंठार जनितो वरा दावत्ता जत्र खेलती प्रभु सदर आत्मजा प्रीता वैकुंठ से सृष्ट क्या है द्वारिका जहाँ पर स्वयं भगवान कृष्ण अपने परिवारों के साथ है अपने 16,108 पाठनी के साथ अनेकों प्रकार हाथ परिहास आदि करते पुत्र करना आदि के द्वारा पारिवारिक जीवन जो है सांसारिक जीवन जो निभाते हैं इसलिए वैकुंठ जनित वरा
द्वारावत्य
जत्र खेलती प्रभु सुंदर आत्मव्यक्तता अपने भाई बलदेव प्रभु नहीं है पर विशाल संसार है कभी कृष्ण भी ऐसे वो समझो मनुष्य के साथ आत्मविश्वास परिहास नहीं करते इनकी संसार की जीवन है
So in Dwarka, Lord Shri Krishna sometimes he is doing hasya parihas with his mahishis, he plays with his kids. So he is doing like a Manishyadi Leela. He is making humors with Rukmini. When Satyabhama is doing man, Krishna is pacifying her. So he is always giving happiness for their wives. So all these things in Dwarka. So for kids he gives love. Pradyumna, Aniruddha, son, grandson. So Krishna is enjoying the family life there in Dwarka. And going further, it's Golok Vrindavan. There is only Shuddha Sakhya, Shuddha Vatsalya. It's pure Sakhya, pure Vatsalya and pure Madhurya is present in Golok Vrindavan. So how Sakyaras, the Sakhas are climbing on Krishna's shoulder and Krishna is climbing on Sakha's shoulder. So this is Sakyaras. And Vatsalyaras, how he's being a child of Lord Maya Yashoda and sometimes taking beatings from Yashoda and sometimes taking love from Yashoda Maya. So this is Vatsalya. And what is Madhurya? Through Madhurya Ras, he does the Prem Vihar with gopis.
कृष्ण जो है अपने युवा भी है सफल क्या किसे गोपियों के साथ
प्रेम विहार
आदि करते है, क्योंकि ये धर्म
So
है।
this is the dharma,
जुवतीनां यथा
natural flow of
जुवन्ति
Madhurya,
युवा काल की श्रांति
always having loving
शरीर
exchange
मन
with the
की धर्म
gopis,
होता है,
conjugal love,
अपोजिट सेक्स में चले जाना,
like how
ये जब धर्म का
opposite sex attracts.
है।
This is the natural
ऐसे
flow
में
of
दूसरे में
nature.
क्या बोला? होता है कि नहीं होता है? शरीर मन की धर्म है।
Sharir is the natural flow of mind. This body is the natural flow of mind.
अपराध जगत में तो लीला चल रही है। ये कहते ज्योति नहीं देखा है कि गुरुजी ज्योति देखा। महापुरुष के संग श्लोक उच्चारण किए।
So Mahaprabhu is telling in this slok, Vatinamrita. So in the same way, Lord Shri Krishna, being Swayam Bhagavan, so Lord Krishna himself, after he attained age of 8, he started to he start so he's getting more love towards gopis by seeing the moon, by seeing the face of gopis, and he performed Ras Lila at the age of 8. This is the loving symptom. So in the same way, the Prakrit Jagat, Lord Krishna is performing the Leelas like human being, like how human performs in the same way. So through all this Sakhis, how Krishna did the Prem Vihar. Srimati Radha is the topmost of Braj Devis. 96 Nayak types of Nayak and 360 types of Nayika, hero and heroine. And the topmost of the heroines are Srimati Radhika. So Srimati Radhika is the Mahabhav Swarup.
वह जो प्रेम और भी अधिक गाढ़ हो जाता है, उसी का स्नेह और भी गाढ़ होने के नाते मान, प्रणय, राग, अनुराग, भाव.
So when the love gets condensed, it's called sneha, and after that man, pranay, anurag, all these things are manifested in the hearts. So Mahabhav is the topmost of all bhavs. So even in the Shastras it is mentioned
कृष्ण के जो जितने भी महिषियां भी जो है नित्य संजोगिनी.
So there are so many Mahishis, the queens, the married girls who are married girls to Krishna, the queens of Lord Krishna. So even they cannot attain this Mahabhav, only Srimati Radharani. So Maharaj is explaining about some Mahabhav.
सर्वोत्तम सीमांत जो प्राप्त कर लेते हैं उसी कहा जाता है भवोल्लास, सर्वभाव उद्गाम उल्लासी. यह भाव केवल एकमात्र राधा छोड़ करके और किसी गोपियों में प्रकाशित नहीं.
So this Mahabhav is only with Radharani. How Maharaj was explaining, like if the Cupid is on the highest mode of love, then this bhav is utpann in this bhav is manifested in Srimati Radhika, and nobody else has this bhav, only Srimati Radhika.
गुणज्योति तैर्मणि राधा और चंद्रावली की राधा जी की है सर्वोत्तमता.
So Radha and Chandravali here, Radha's supremacy.
राधा जी चंद्रावली से.
So Srimati Radharani is the more
चंद्रावली की लघुत्व और राधा की
topmost than Chandravali.
गुरुत्व.
Chandravali is Lagutva and Radharani is Gurutva.
श्रीमती राधा कृष्ण से अभिन्न है. राधा पूर्ण शक्ति कृष्ण पूर्ण शक्तिमान.
So Chandravali is very light and Radharani is very heavy. Lagutva means light, Gurutva means heavy. So Srimati Radharani is more heavy than Chandravati, not in weight, in the bhav.
राधा कृष्ण एक ही स्वरूप लीला रस आश्रिते धरे दोई रूप. राधा पूर्ण शक्ति और कृष्ण पूर्ण शक्तिमान.
Radha Purna Shakti and Krishna Purna Shaktiman. Radha is full potency of Lord Krishna and Krishna is the complete enjoyer of Srimati Radharani. So there is no difference, Shakti and Shaktiman. So in Shastras it is mentioned,
जिस दिशा से हवा आती है उस दिशा को दौड़ के रहते हैं. उसको पता नहीं है उनके अपने नाभि से ही.
so there is one special kind of deer. In their navel they have a kind of smell, very beautiful smell. So that is called kasturi in India. So the deer is running behind this smell, but it is not knowing that it is coming from its own body. In the same way, Srimati Radhika, when there is a Prem Madhurya, like fire and its power of burning, fire and its burning power. So burning power is fire's natural nature. You cannot separate these two things, fire and burning power. In the same way, Radha and Krishna cannot be separated from each other. So Radha Krishna is the one. Just to do Leela Ras Aswadan, they are doing lot of Leelas.
आनंद मात्रम वज्रम पुराणम एकम संतम बहुधा दृश्यते जैसा नेह नाना अस्ति किंचनम. नेह नाना अस्ति किंचनम. वेदांत सूत्र में इतना कहा है.
So in the Vedanta Sutras, Neha Nana Chintana, this is one sutra in Vedanta Sutra. The Advaitavadis write some different meaning and Dvaitavadas write some different meaning for this particular thumbnail from Vedanta Sutra. Bahuda Drishyate Yeko Api Tanyo Bahuda Vyapi. Although it is one, it is manifesting in so many different ways. And how? And that these are personification of bliss, and they manifest themselves in different kinds. Neha nana akinchana ekameva paramarthatvam. Although there is one Lord, there is different achintya shakti. There are so many different achintya shakti. Achintya.
अचिंत्य शक्ति का है जो बुद्धि की, मन की, परे का.
परे का. बुद्धि और मन की. बुद्धि और मन की Parakashta.
of our
Beyond.
material conception.
So beyond our material conception, this is called Achintya Shakti.
मन की गति जहाँ तक जा सकते हैं,
So
और जहाँ
till
तक
where
हो, बाकी
the mind can reach,
सब
and it will come back. There is a limit for the mind. But this Achintya Shakti, there is no limit. It is beyond
अचिंत्य किसको
mind.
कहते हैं? यदि कहो जो हमें चिंता के बाहर है, उसको क्यों चिंता करें? जो वस्तु हमारे पास है, उसको चिंता क्यों करें? बेकार बेकार आकाश से हम तो पकड़ नहीं पाएंगे, चंद्रमा के पकड़ नहीं पाएंगे, बेकार बेकार हाथ उठा करके फायदा क्या होगा? हैं? बामन होकर के कोई चंद्रमा के पकड़ने के लिए पकड़ नहीं पाएंगे, तो बेकार बेकार क्या होगा? समय नष्ट होगा।
So many people just thinking how to catch this moon, how to catch this sky. It is not possible. This is waste of time.
उसके चिंतन कैसे होगा?
So this is called Chintan, means not Achintan. This is just with your mind you are doing like this. But practically you cannot do this.
गुरु कृपा, भगवत कृपा।
So how to become Achintya? In Vedanta Sutra it is telling just by getting Guru Krupa, following the words of Sri Guru, one can become Achintya. So in Shastras it is mentioned, Nayam Atma Pravachanena Labhyo na Medaya na Bahuna Shrutena. In this verse,
हमारी चेष्टा रहे,
we will try, but Lord has to manifest Himself,
प्रकाशित कर दे, जिसको कहते हैं
His beautiful form. It is called Nayam Atma Pravachanena Labhyo na Medaya na Bahuna Shrutena Yeme Vaishya Vrinate Tena Labhya. Like whoever He likes, He will bestow His mercy, and there is no other way of getting His beautiful form in our heart.
एक होते हुए पर भी अनेक स्वरूप में प्रकाशित होते
Although the Lord is one, although it is one, it can manifest into several different types, and this is called Achintya Shakti.
अचिंत्य की परिभाषा होती है, अचिंत्य पर मन निश्चित रूप में
Achintya,
जो भावना की
definitely,
वो प्रकृति के पर निर्भर है। अचिंत्य परिभाषा तंग तर्क ने उसके तर्कों के द्वारा तर्कात और प्रतिष्ठान तर्क के द्वारा, अर्थात कौन से तर्क के द्वारा?
logic.
जलीय तर्क के द्वारा
कौन सा तर्क?
आप स्थापन नहीं कर सकते। क्या बोलते? You cannot establish this transcendental philosophy
Through
mundane
logic.
logic.
So Maharaj is telling we cannot establish this transcendental knowledge through mundane knowledge, through our mundane knowledge.
तो प्रकाशानंद सरस्वती, तो महाप्रभु ने 3 उदाहरण दिए। ये ब्रह्म यदि विकारी माना गया है,
So Mahaprabhu gave 3 examples for Prakashananda Saraswati.
ब्रह्म जो अविकारी लिखा गया,
So you have written this Brahma is avikari,
सृष्टि करता है,
but Brahma is taking vikar, he is doing shushti and other things. So how do you prove this? So Mahaprabhu is telling this Brahman is Achintya Shakti.
क्या क्या महाप्रभु 3 उदाहरण, क्या क्या 3 उदाहरण?
ब्रह्मा का विकार.
नहीं, इस जड़ जगत में भी अचिंत्य शक्ति है, इसे की विस्मय। मंत्र, औषधि और मणि।
मंत्र,
मंत्र,
औषधि.
औषधि और मणि। मंत्र जप के द्वारा अनेक वस्तु के आप स्तंभित कर सकते हैं।
So in this word there are 3 Achintya Shaktis. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu telling what is it? One is mantra. Through mantra you can obtain many things.
मंत्र के द्वारा
Through the power of mantra.
गीत भी कर सकते
You can even capture someone through the mantra.
हैं। अरे मंत्र के द्वारा, छोटी सी मंत्र के द्वारा भगवान की क्या वशीभूत कर।
Even you can capture Lord Krishna by a small mantra.
साथ हाथी को क्या करते? छोटा सा अंकुश के द्वारा
Like how the big elephant has been captured by a small, the small kind of thorn.
वही भगवान की वशीभूत करने के लिए क्या चाहिए? छोटा सा मंत्र।
So, just to capture Lord in our heart, we can have small mantra. And what is that mantra? It is Klim, Aim, Om, Pranav Vachak. So there are so many like this.
कितने उदाहरण दिया, हजार उदाहरण दिए। भगवान के कितने विशाल वर्णन करो कि सब ब्रह्मांड में होते हैं, वशीभूत होते कैसे? यही तो मंत्र, और मंत्र की साथ में प्रेम कितना है? प्रेम के द्वारा भगवान वशीभूत।
So through love, Lord gets captured.
मंत्र का
This is mantra. One is mantra. Second is aushadhi, medicine. Medicine.
अनेक प्रकार जो है
Herbs.
उसके द्वारा अचिंत्य शक्ति होता है।
And these herbs also have achintya shakti.
कुछ ऐसे पेड़ के जड़ रख तो सांप नहीं आएगा उनका।
So sometimes the roots of some herbs, if you keep near the house, the serpents will not come there.
और मणि के द्वारा ही अचिंत्य होता है। जैसे महाप्रभु उदाहरण है, जैसे कौन सा मणि?
And even the jewels.
मणि की लोहा को क्या कर देगी?
Even the jewels have achintya shakti. What will the touchstone will do? The touchstone will turn anything into gold.
ब्रह्मा अधिकारी होकर के भी सृष्टि कर।
Although Brahma has vikar, impersonal, he is doing all kinds of srishti, creation. So what is the power in it? It is called achintya shakti. So Mahaprabhu gave this example and defeated Prakashananda Saraswati. Sparshamani, the touchstone. When you touch some iron in it, it will become gold. You can make like that thousands and thousands and thousands. But touchstone itself is not gold. So through the Achintya Shakti, Lord creating this Jeev Jagat, Chit Jagat, Maya Jagat and others. So in this material world, this material things has this special powers. Then in the spiritual world, what to speak about it?
देवी कृष्णमयी प्रभुता राधिका परदेवता सर्वलक्ष्मीमयी सर्वकांति सनमहिनी परा। देवी कोई तो तुम्हारा परमा सुंदरी हिंगला कृष्ण पूजा किरार बसती नगरी। कृष्णमयी कृष्ण जारी करे बाहिरे जहाँ जहाँ नेत्र पड़े तहाँ कृष्ण स्फुरे। हिंगा कृष्ण प्रेम रसमय कृष्ण रसरूप सारी शक्ति तार महान भाव एक रूप। कृष्ण वंशा
Maharaj is reading some verses from Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita.
पुराने बखान अतएव सही अतएव गई पूजा परम देवता सर्वपालिका सर्व जगते माता सर्वलक्षी सत्य पूर्वे करियाछि बखान सर्वलक्षी गणेश होय अधिष्ठान। हिंबा सर्वलक्ष्मीमयी कृष्णेर सर्वविध ऐश्वर्य तार मध्य दृष्टापि सर्वशक्ति वर्ज्य सर्वसौंदर्य कांति वही से जाते सर्वलक्ष्मी गणेश वाते तहाते। हिंबा कांति शब्दे कृष्णेर सब इच्छा कहे कृष्णेर सकल वांछा राधाते तुच्छे। राधिका करेन कृष्णेर वांछित पुराण सर्वकांति सर्वदा अर्थ विवरण। जगत मोहन कृष्ण ताहार मोहिनी अति समस्तिर परा ठाकुरानी। चैतन्य चेतावनी ने कहा केवल एक श्लोक के द्वारा राधा जी के तत्व का वर्णन किया। राधा जी तत्व वर्णन
So
करें,
in Sri Charitamrita, just in one this particular shloka, so big, so Radha Tattva is being mentioned here. So just by reading this one shloka from Chaitanya Charitamrita, you can speak about entire Radha Tattva. So tomorrow we will do commentary on this. So now Maharaj has come, we are doing Tulsi Arti, then Madhav Maharaj will give class. Lal ki jai. Vanchakalpatarveshya kripa sindhubhyo cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Dandavat pranam to all devotees. We'll meet evening in the Zoom class and also in the evening Harikatha. Hare Krishna.